Good morning, student. Welcome to Nanda classes. Today we are discuss class 10 chemistry, carbon and its compound. Today is the 5 part of these chapters. Last class we are discussed about saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. In saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds, we are discussed about hydrocarbons. What is hydrocarbons and what are the types of hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are mainly two types. It is the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. In saturated hydrocarbon, that is the alkanes, the carbon-carbon single bond are present. But in unsaturated hydrocarbon, it is in two types. It is alkene and alkynes. In alkene means carbon-carbon double bond compound are present, and alkyne means carbon-carbon triple bond compound are present. But today our topic are the what are isomerism. It is the most important topic of this chapters. What is isomerism? So in this topic we have discussed the different structure or example of this isomerism. So the definition of isomerism are what are when the same molecular formula represents two or more compounds which differ in their physical and chemical properties. So then such compounds are called isomer. What are isomers? And this phenomena is known as isomerism. So आइसोमरिज्म क्या है? ये एक फेनोमेना है और प्रोसेस है जिसमें आइसोमर फॉर्मेशन होता है. आइसोमर मींस ये ग्रुप ऑफ कंपाउंड्स जिसमें कि क्या होता है, इसका मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला सेम होता है बट उसका फिजिकल और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज डिफरेंट होता है, तो उसको बोलेंगे क्या? आइसोमर. एंड उसी प्रोसेस को बोलेंगे क्या? आइसोमरिज्म. ओके, सो वंस अगेन व्हाट आर आइटम आइसोमरिज्म? व्हेन द सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला represent two or more compounds which differ in their physical and chemical properties, then such compounds are called isomer, and this phenomena is known as what? A isomerism. And mainly the isomerisms are of two types of isomerism. It is one of the structural isomerisms, and the second one stereoisomerism. Okay, STEREO, stereoisomerisms. So what are structural isomerism? Which are different in their structures. That is what are structural isomerism. So in your syllabus or course we are discuss about structural isomerism. This stereoisomerism are in higher class, we have to detail this story. Okay, so we are discuss about structural isomerisms and their different example how the isomer are formed. So the structural isomerism what are? Okay, structural isomerisms. The isomerisms which are different in their structure or the arrangement of the atoms or molecules, then this is called the structural isomerism. Okay, the compound having same molecular formula. Okay, the compound having same molecular formula but they are different in their structure of the arrangement of the atom, then it is called what? A structural isomerism. Okay, when the same molecular formula represent two or more compounds which is different in their arrangement of atoms or group within the molecules, then such are called isomers, and this phenomena are called structural isomerism. So now we have discussed some example of structural isomer. The first one example are butane. What are butane? The example number 1, butane. Okay, butane, the formula of butane are C4H10. Okay, here 4 carbon atoms or 10 hydrogen atoms are present. So 4 carbon atoms, how can we arrange, or in different structure how can we write? In a straight way we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, or in the other way in branch chain also 1, 2, 3 or 1, 4. This is two possible structure. Okay, we are arranged the 4 carbon atoms and 10 hydrogen we are use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so like this here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. ऐसे हिसाब से अरेंज करना है कि कार्बन का वैलेंसी सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए. ओके, 4-4 बॉन्ड होना चाहिए कार्बन को. ओके, इसी को ध्यान देना है. ओके, सो इसका नेम क्या होगा? एन ब्यूटेन. और ब्यूटेन okay, it is a straight chain of carbon compound. It is a branch chain, means 1, 2 or 3 components come in the main chains, and it is a one sufficient. The IUPAC naming we have to study what are main chain or sufficient. So in the second carbon, this CH3 group are attached. Therefore their name are 2-methyl propane. P-R-O-P-A-N, propane. Okay, so both are the same formula. Okay, C4H10, but the arrangement of the atoms are different. That's why the compound are changed, and their compound are also different. So it is the isomer of butane. So now naming all of you. Okay, next part or we have to study about the naming of this IUPAC nomenclature. So it is also most important topic of this chapter. So another one example we have discussed about the isomer or structural isomerism, that is a pentane. The second example, pentane, P-E-N-T-A-N. The formula are C5H12. Pentane. There are 5 carbons and 12 hydrogen atoms are present. तो 5 कार्बन को कैसे अरेंज करना है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ऐसे स्ट्रेट चेन में अरेंज कर सकते हैं इसको. और कैसे कर सकते हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4 और एक ब्रांच, सेकेंड कार्बन में एक ब्रांच ले सकते हैं. ओके, और कैसे इसको अरेंज कर पाएंगे? और एक पॉसिबल है 1, 2, 3, 4 और 5. ऐसे भी इसको अरेंज कर पाएंगे. ओके, नाउ वी आर अरेंज द हाइड्रोजन एटम्स. ओके, हाइड्रोजन एटम्स को अरेंज करना है. अभी एक बॉन्ड है तो इसमें 3 हाइड्रोजन लगेगा. 1, 2 और 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 और 12 हाइड्रोजन हो गया अरेंज. इसमें भी अरेंज करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 और 12. ओके, ऐसे हिसाब से अरेंज करना है कि सब कार्बन का 4-4 बॉन्ड होना चाहिए. इसमें भी अरेंज करना है. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. इसमें भी करना है 1, 2, 3. इसमें भी 1, 2 और 3. चारों कार्बन में क्या है? 3 हाइड्रोजन हो गया, तो 4 into 3 12 हाइड्रोजन हो गया. ओके, सो 3 स्ट्रक्चर all are the same formula but they are different structure. So name of this structure are what are N-pentane or pentane. This one are named as 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon are parent chain. Sorry, we are naming from this side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 because here 2 sides the CH3 group are common. The naming of the what are 2-methyl 1, 2, 3, 4 are present butane. So the compound name are 2-methyl butane, and here the name are 1, 2, 3. 2,2-dimethyl propane. Okay, so pentane have 3 isomer, that is N-pentane, 2-methyl butane, and 2,2-dimethyl propane. It is also one isomer. Is the most important topic. You have to more and more you practice the structure, then you have to clear the concept of isomerism. Now we have to, one question will come, draw the structural isomer of hexane. Order, one question will come, draw the structural isomer of hexane. Hexane, hexane, and the formula C6H14. C6H14 का इसका कितना पॉसिबल आइसोमर होगा हम ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, सो इसमें है 6 कार्बन एंड 14 हाइड्रोजन. सो फर्स्ट वे में हम इसको स्टेट चेन में लिख सकते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, और सेकेंड वे में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 और एक ब्रांच 6. ये साइड से सेकंड कार्बन में ब्रांच ले सकते हैं. और कैसे थर्ड 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 और मिडिल में कार्बन एक ब्रांच कर सकते हैं इसको. और कैसे इसको लिख सकते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 और 6 ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. और कैसे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 और 6 एक ही कार्बन में भी 2 ब्रांच दे सकते हैं. ओके, इट इज द 5 पॉसिबल वे ऑफ आइसोमर और फॉर्म. सो अभी क्या करना है, हाइड्रोजन को अभी अरेंज करना है. इसमें 14 हाइड्रोजन है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13 और 14. Okay, here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 और 14. इसमें भी सब में ऐसे उसका वैलेंसी के हिसाब से हाइड्रोजन कार्बन का वैलेंसी के हिसाब से हाइड्रोजन को अटैच करना है.